Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with the revision of Standard 3. Standard 3 chapters जो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग द विंडोज 10. इस चैप्टर के अंदर आपका बुक के अंदर से भी क्वेश्चंस रहेगा. जैसे विलियम एच गेट्स कौन थे? तो फाउंडर ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. स्टार्ट मेनू कैन ऑल्सो बी ओपन बाय प्रेसिंग द विंडोज की, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो एक्टिवेट टास्क व्यू बाय प्रेसिंग द विंडोज लोगो प्लस टैब की. And now fill in the blanks. The desktop is the first screen of window which appears when the computer is switched on. The Windows Store application provide paid and free games, apps and songs. The task bar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The right side of the task bar contains the notification area. The task view button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. The advanced search tools of Windows 10 is Cortana. Now true false. The clock is present on the left side of the taskbar is the false. The start button is found on the left side of the taskbar is true. When program is active, the icon is highlighted in a brighter shade with a bar below it is false. Pick button is present on the left side of the taskbar is false. To change the desktop background, right click on the blank area of the desktop is true. उसके बाद MCQ. Which program manage all the jobs of the computer is operating system? To arrange the icons on the desktop, right click on the blank area, press Windows key plus D to minimize all the open windows. To open the start menu, press Windows key. Name the mouse pointer which perform the following action. For pointing, selecting and dragging on item is normal key, and for resizing the picture is double-headed arrow. It indicates that you have to wait because the computer is busy. And for moving picture and toolbar, four-headed arrow. Name the terms used to processing the loading operating system is booting. Name the box that display the preview of the screensaver is preview. Name the option that display all the apps and program in the computer is Cortana. Write the shortcut key combination to activate task view, Windows logo key plus tab. तो ये चैप्टर 4 का हुआ. अब चैप्टर 5 का रिवीजन. एडिटिंग टेक्स्ट इन वर्ड 2016. इसमें बुक के अंदर से जो क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे वो इस प्रकार. क्लिक न्यू बटन ऑन क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार और प्रेस कंट्रोल शॉर्टकट की कंट्रोल प्लस एन. न्यू बटन के लिए कंट्रोल प्लस एन, एंड शॉर्टकट की फॉर सेव बटन कंट्रोल प्लस एस. प्रीव्यू द बटन कंट्रोल प्लस पी, एंड टू ओपन द button is control plus O. To close the windows, control plus W. To shortcut key for checking the spelling and grammar is F7, and control plus delete and control plus backspace key combination to delete one word to the right or left respectively. Shortcut key for undo and redo command are the control plus Z and control plus Y respectively. Now fill in the blank. Selection area is a blank area in the left margin of a document. The clipboard is the reserved place and store data temporarily. Making changes in the document is called editing. To print the document, click on File tab, Print option. Incorrectly spelled word can be seen with the red wavy lines under them. The shortest option provide a list of synonymous and antonyms. The shortcut key to close a document is Control plus C. Is false. MS Word can be shared document on the internet is true. Shortcut key to jump to end of the document, current document is Shift plus Control plus N is true. To select a sentence, hold down the Shift key and click anywhere on the sentence is false. To select a program, double click anywhere in the paragraph is false. And now Control plus A is select the entire document. Shift plus home key, select the text from the current position to beginning of a line. Control plus X and Control plus V, cut the text and place in the new place. Control plus C and V, copies the text from place and paste it to another place. And Control plus delete one words to the right. MCQ: in how many how many ways can you insert text in the existing document? Is true. Grammatical error indicate with the blue wavy lines. Which among of the following shortcut key used to select one character to the right? Shift plus right arrow. Which the shortcut key to undo command is Control plus Z. तो ये आपका which shortcut key used to spell the spelling and grammar check is F7. Which command used to reverse the action undo is redo, Control plus Y. Name the mode that is used to replace the existing text in the document, over type mode. Write the shortcut key to delete one word to the left, Control plus delete. तो ये चैप्टर 4 और 5 का रिवीजन हो गया. आप इसको रिवाइज करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.